Or you think I should turn my wheel this way?
If you could get your wheel that way, that would be ideal. Because the car's trying to roll up that bank.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we are at Wildcat again. I love this place. It is an awesome place to come ride. But this weekend we got something in store for you. Look at this beautiful piece of machinery. I feel like that weird kid in high school that would always take selfies of himself. Like, what the hell was that kid doing taking selfies of himself all the time? Uh-oh. Oh my god. It's hard to find neutral. You guys alright?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to get this turned back around. Try to pull it that way and start turning over, so.
You need somebody up here to pull you that way. Are you with anybody? Okay. Well, that sucks because I'm on a dirt bike right now.
I got an extra winch rope, but I don't know how to. I don't have a snatch blocker in it.
Yeah.
I thought I brought one with me, but I brought one with me, and I got a synthetic rope. You can think of a way to do it. I got this one.
Oh, all right. Let me see what ropes you got.
I got a big synthetic one, 50-foot winch rope. It's right here. It's a lot.
Yeah.
And that.
So there should be a rope that goes in between this and around a tree.
Yeah, that's what I forgot. I thought it was in here. I don't see it. I can't believe I've done that.
Yeah, this is pretty wild. I don't know. You would have been alright if you didn't get your tire caught behind that tree.
I know it. I started back up. I said, I can't back up. I'm right in that tree.
Yeah.
I was trying to get it where I was trying to drag his front around, but it just tried to turn over on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need back there. I need to pull it out from back there, though.
That way again?
Gonna put it in neutral?
No, the problem is your front wheels are facing the opposite side of the hill. So neutral's gonna make it roll up that hill.
So if you bounce it, it still ain't going to make that, the front wheel won't roll. Right?
Yeah. No, not in part.
That's what I said, if I had a neutral, wouldn't it let it go, release back a little bit or no? Because I got all this tension on the front.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think?
You can try it.
What do you think dragging it's better, trying to drag it?
I think dragging is better, but you can try to pull the front end up towards you. I think that's, I see what you're saying.
I'm trying to turn the wheel where it rolls instead of trying to drag it.
Right.
Because it's just flexing.
Yeah.
Or you think I should turn my wheel this way?
If you could get your wheel that way, that would be ideal. Because the car's trying to roll up that bank.
Yeah. Drive it.
I would come up here on this hill and pull with the wind. So if you do, you want to rehook it farther up. The winch is going to be grabbing it and pulling on your fenders. And if you go too high, like if this thing starts to roll on this winch, the winch isn't going to save it very well.
Probably best to get pulled in.
Yeah. Because it's going to take, these things have so much travel in the front ends.
I know.
And it takes, like you have to pull it up from above. I could go unload, like, I could go unload and then bring my 4-seater over here. And
You got a side by side?
yeah.
I was gonna call them when I was like, damn, I'm wedged. I need pulls from over here.
Yeah. I
don't think I've ever wedged myself like that.
You guys ever do something in life that feels like a video game to you? I feel like riding off-road is like a video game. Like, there's no laws, you can do what you want. As long as you're cool. Just be cool, you know?